Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to edit bio in your Reddit account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Reddit account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Reddit app, here I go. Your home page appears. Now at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon, tap on that. Here you can see different options. Go to the option My Profile, here I go. Now at the middle right corner, you can see Edit option, tap on that. Here you can see at the middle about a little description of yourself. You have to add about yourself here. Here I have written something about myself. In this way, you can add something to your bio. Now at the top right corner, you can see that save option, tap on that. Here you can see that my bio has been edited. Here I have written something about myself. In this way, you can also edit your bio in Reddit account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.